Hiccups in the driveway and somebody slams that rusty old screen door. There's always something missing, someone has to make a run down to the store. There's always something in the oven, someone's always on the phone. Your uncle's dropping in just when you want to be alone. No place like home. No place like home. No place like home. No place like home. Just you and your own homemade, homegrown. No place like home. There's always an opinion, but you would be.
Morning, excuse me. Oh ho ho oh cooked in. What's it cooked in? We have a problemo, and definitely not the lovely meat in the slow cooker. Lely has bust the Merlo. It won't move. He thinks there was a bush down the back of the seat that I put that I was cleaning like it off with, and he said the seat thing kept flashing to say there's no one sat on the seat, so he thinks it's loose in the wires. Anyway, instead of being normal and maybe not pulling the wires out of the seat, he then proceeded to pull the wires out of the seat, thinking it'd make it better, but instead it's had the opposite effect. The Merlo now won't move, obviously, because it thinks there's no one on the seat. My hair looks long today, man. So yeah, let's go and have a gander. Oh, she's skiddy down here. We need some salt. Take that back. We're not allowed salt, are we? We've been told this story before. It involves concrete. We need some tan. Oh, Merlo, what has he done to you? Oh no. Oh shit. Oh wow. Right, wow. Well, at least there's no bloody bare ends of it. Jesus Christ. Right, okay. Should I fix it? Should hope so. Where can I put it? Where did they come out of, Roy?
I think...
Here, where the foams. Right, there and
Yeah.
up there. Right, okay.
There's too much rubbish down the back of the seat. You should have had them tools out when it came.
They know what we've done, but we've done something, and let's use the royal we. Not me. Taking the chance while it's still working to flick the Keenan on, fill it, hopefully, before it stops working again. I'm having to walk really gingerly because it's quite icy. It's quite slippy down here, believe it or not. Stop moving. Stopped. I honestly, I didn't really do anything. I just kind of like, I didn't do anything. Left a drink on the back of the Merlo. That's funny. I honestly, oh God, he's expecting me to fix it again and I don't know what I did. I didn't do anything. You saw me. Watch it, bro.
I don't know what you did.
He said, what did you do? And I said, I don't know. And then I did this. I don't know if I should be videoing this, but I am. You can't see. Pull the wires together. It stops beeping. Who knew? Quick. Somebody get some insulation tape. So he said, what did you do? And I said, I don't know. Where the wire's just gone? I said, I don't know, I didn't do anything. And then, if you put the wires together, it stops beeping. What? Right. Wires are together. Is she gonna move? They're dying right now. Aiden, I am so sorry. Oh, she moves! I'm just the advertisement that you wanted. Oh no, what do I do? Well, it's set on fire. Oh my God, I need to ring someone. Am I illegal? Am I gonna be in trouble? I don't know. Is that safe? Am I going to get a spark up my ass? Huh. I don't know what to do. He's even less mechanically minded, even though his dad was a mechanic and had a garage and his brother's a mechanic, like a proper one, you know, that fixes cars and stuff. We are so not. So not. Like, I got excited over an adjustable spanner yesterday. I mean, come on. Then again, the Keenan does need loading. And no one's told me to do this. I'm doing this myself.
Bathroom's always occupied, the fridge too full, the radio too loud. One is watching TV while the other plays a song. We can't do without each other, but we just can't get along. No place like home. No place like home. No place like home. No place like home. Just you and your own homemade home.
What is this? What is this? Oh no. Now, I may not be a house whiff and I may not do washing up or have a penny, but these do not come outside. They're more expensive than my adjustable spanner. They pop up everywhere. Now the Bobcat won't start. Oh, this day is just getting better. Oh, the glow plugs are heating from 19. Here's a cold one. I was gonna like...
We had no success with that, all did we? Is that 20?
Yeah, it didn't work.
But it was.
Wash it.
It's nice to double cab pickup.
If you wash it, you'll see all the bits that are falling off.
No, it looked quite tired last time it was washed.
You've had it 6 years and you haven't washed it once.
It was last washed in 19.
Last wash in 2019.
Matthew would do it.
3, 2, 1. Gonna jumpstart the Bobcat. Way more comfier than that ML. Way more. Well, no, that's a lie. It's not more comfier. It's just slightly less yokel. I ain't snobby, but come on. Ain't no Range Rovers round here. Uh-huh.
Right, you just hold that in thin air and I'll put it on. I don't want it sparking with you.
Oh, bless you. You're so courteous.
Well, no, unless you just carry on and never carry them around again.
He knows me too well. See, is he going to electrocute me? I'm holding the rubber, but there's a wire sticking out. Just a quickie as well before I forget. I said these are from Agramin yesterday. They're not. They're from Scottmin. Yeah, I just thought I'd tell you that because someone pulled me up on it and they were right. Fill the Keenan for the cows and calves. And then I'm just going to go down there and check on some sheep. Then I'm going to panic about how much work I'm leaving Roy to do while I swan off down south with the AHDB to look at a college. Someone's told me with the Keenan, keep the revs low and stall your tractor before you break a shear bolt, and I've always remembered that, and it's been useful more than once or twice if I'm honest. It just saves you crawling underneath. Butcher the Merlo. We're being really told off, but you know what? It's past tense. I've already done it. Just, yeah. I don't know if I'm doing the right thing. I don't know. I just don't know. I didn't know when I'm messing around. These are the weighing scales. And I want them facing the cab so that I know how much is in there. Handy place to keep you. So I'll just come around.
My grandfather's great-grandfather
I have random news. So, you know how the lads in Scotland had gone and rescued Fiona, the loneliest sheep in Britain, from the bottom of the hillside? I am felting her for their charity auction. Show you the progress. There's Fiona. Here she is. It's gonna be fair size, to be honest. I want it with fleece though, full on. So I'm getting, Cammie's sending me some of her fleece to here. I will get on with doing the face because I have a feeling it's going to take a little bit of a while because I've made it so big, which was silly on my part, but never mind. You only do one of these things kind of once, don't you? Yeah, just started. Now the second. It is 1:30 Sunday. Let's see where we get to. Bear in mind I'm going away tomorrow. I might take this on the train just to annoy Joe Seals. Fiona want to come round a trip round London? Maybe she does. Maybe Fiona does. I might take her with me. Okay, it's dark, it's cold, and I have ejection. Jacob the Top, who I don't actually think he's been in any videos at the minute, he is hanging about on his own. Now, he has already tucked a load, and then I mixed both of the sheep up. I don't know whether the tups aren't getting on or he has a really snotty nose. Sorry, the light's crap. Oh, she wet. Oh, here he is. Oh, Roy has just been down and says, is there any reason why he would be hanging around on his own? And I said, not necessarily, no. So I think everyone's in the right places. He's had a snotty nose for a few days and he's hanging around on his own. And I don't mean on his own, I mean he's literally on his billy tod. What are you doing? Huh? What do you think you're playing at? Come here. I've got ejection for you. Oh, there was a sneeze. There was a distinct sneeze. Did anybody see that? It was a cough, man. That was a cough. Do you want to come in? Eh? Do you want to come in a stable? I think I would prefer you in. Go and get the quad bike trailer, I think. Hooked up and... I've had to ask for help, he's coming. Anyone if it will kind of put there. Sorry, I didn't say that. I'm a really nice person, you all like me. What's he doing? Putting a wetsuit on? Doing a brilliantly good top. I just like him. He's kind and he comes running and likes you. So, yeah. I am not ashamed at all. Have you seen this? What's he doing? Feel done there. Alright, Gareth. Oh, sorry, that was funny. I'd got all of it. We just went skiing across the field. He seems all right. First thing you notice though when you go near him, he thinks he's being fed. First thing you notice is his head stinks. I think him and the other tough have had a set too. Now, it was never pretty. It was never pretty. Come on. So we'll see how he comes on for a few days. TLCs. Good lad. His head's bothering him. Look, can you see how he's itching it? So I think we've got head issues. The light is absolutely dire, but it is what it is, to be fair. It's night time. 6 already because he's got a snotty nose. His head again. What are you doing? Come here. It's like you might have a bit of a sore eye. I think Tups have been fighting. Empty. Not normally run the bike that low, but we've been putting off going to the petty station because we've just joined Farmer Network. We got a fuel card as well, which is something we don't normally do. We normally have to collect receipts and I have to get told off for not getting them. I actually have once turned around in Preston. I got all the way to the motorway in Garstang, turned all the way around from the motorway roundabout, gone back to the garage, begged the woman for a receipt to turn all the way around, go 20 minutes back to the motorway and go down the motorway because I was going to get in trouble because I forgot a receipt. Anywho, fuel card, won't be able to do that. Unfortunately for us, we won't be able to go to our local petrol station because she does not accept the fuel card. We'll have to go a little bit further afield, but it's not the end of the world. We're just going to Penrith and we'll go shopping. Or on Farmer Network, I think, at some point. But I just want to put some blue spray on this Tup's head. Oh my god, that's me. I never said I was accurate. I'll leave him in the middle here. It looks like he might have damaged his eye. Not his eye, but like he's got a bloodshot eye. And his head's clearly bothering him because he keeps going and rubbing on stuff. That might be the catalyst for having a snotty nose, to be fair. But he has a snotty nose. He's clearly not feeling himself. Although we did drag Roy, God, I wish I had a video of that. It was, now that was funny. He clearly feels all right to drag Roy halfway across field. So we'll keep him in. I'll just keep him in this middle bit, just so I know where he is. I need a gate. Some hay and some straw. Just leave that up there. Breathing heavy or anything. I think he just is having a bit of a rubbish day. Bless him. Yes, I am trying to felt Fiona at the same time as cutting burgers. Oh, that's nice. I don't know what happened here.